What's up guys, my name is Melissa. In this video today, we're gonna look at some passive income ideas that you can do right now. Some of these ideas won't be requiring any working hours, while some others, you're gonna need to do some upfront work, but it will be mostly passive afterwards. In some cases, you'll probably still need to do some maintenance, but it will be minimal work. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with our first passive income idea where you wouldn't have to do any work at all, and that's putting ads on your car. That's right, companies will pay you to be a moving billboard around your town, and that is by driving your car with some advertisement wrapped around your car. You obviously need your own car to qualify and have a good driving record, but this is not a bad way to earn extra cash, especially if you're already driving back and forth to your work anyway. Carvertise and Rapify are two examples of legit companies that do this, but beware of all of the scammers out there because some people are actually pretending to be working for them. Anyways, on average, you can expect to earn around $100 to $300 just by simply driving your routes. So the next one is print on demand. This is great for beginners who want to sell custom merch with no upfront costs and no inventory stacking around your house. The idea is that you create an artwork, place it on a shirt or mug, post it online, and if someone orders from you, the print on demand company will automatically fulfill it and they will send the merchandise to your buyer. You can create your own artwork on Canva, which is so easy for beginners and completely free. Or what I like to do is purchase some cool fonts on Creative Market and get full license to use them to print on my merch. So here are some print-on-demand companies that you guys should check out. Everything will be pretty much passive afterwards. Some marketing would obviously help, but make sure to title it right and use some SEO keywords in there and put them on big platforms such as Etsy or Amazon. Next one is selling digital products on Etsy. There's literally no product to ship, so your customers will be able to automatically download your file after they pay up. There's so many things that you can create. You can create everything that's on the screen and many more. I started Etsy 3 years ago. I made some presets, Instagram highlight icons, iPhone app icons, coupon books, and even a drinking game for bachelorettes. 10 months ago was the last time I published a digital download on Etsy, but I've still been making monthly sales from Etsy, even though I haven't been paying for ads or barely promoting it. You can use Canva or Photoshop when making a design, but for some, you just need Google Docs or Microsoft Word if you're just making a resume template or a financial planner. Next one is rent out what you have. There are different apps and websites that will allow you to lend something that you already own. If you're not using your car on the weekends, there's Turo to rent out your car. If you have an extra space in your room, why don't you use Airbnb? This is something new, but with Swimply, you can rent out your swimming pool for an hour or more. If you have a whole garage that you can have it rented out for storage or a parking spot, then you can use the app Neighbor. Then this one, KidSplit, it's not an app, but you can sign up on the website. You can have your camera gear rented out. And finally, BabyQuip, you can rent out baby gears for families traveling. Next one is affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a social media account with some following, you can share a product or service which you would recommend. If anyone from your audience clicks on that link and purchases something from it, you'll be getting a small commission. For beginners with no following, I would suggest for you guys to try out the platforms TikTok and Pinterest. Whichever you're using, make sure though that the affiliate marketing that you're working with allows you to post on either one of them. For example, this TikToker Jai shows us some Amazon room decor ideas, and you can see that she got 2 million likes from it. If you go on her profile bio and click on the link, she'll have affiliate links of the products that she recommended from her videos. And then she can get a commission if you purchase directly from her affiliate link. Here's some affiliate programs that you guys can join, but also do check directly with the brand if they have their own personal program. Next is dividend stocks. From all of the money you're making from your passive income, make sure to set some aside to invest in dividend stocks. Make sure to do some research though because people lose money in it too. Pretty much, the company will pay you a small percentage every 3 months just for having your money in their company. That's pretty much like having an allowance. This is not financial advice, but I like to play it safe by putting my money on huge companies that have been around for years and that I believe will still be around for many more years, just like Apple and Coca-Cola. I personally invest in Robinhood. I'm not saying it's the best, it's just what I use. If you do want to try it out too, this is not a sponsored post by the way. I do have a referral link in the description. If you do click on that, we'll both have a free stock, so it's a win-win for both of us. Anyways, next one is real estate investing. You can buy REITs, which will allow you to invest in real estate without actually physically owning a property. So this way, you won't have to deal with managing or operating it. and you'll be receiving distributions or dividends every month, not quarterly, but every month. So that is pretty good if you're paying some bills. Personally, on Robinhood, I have Realty Income, Stag, Vanguard US, and AGNC. But like I said, do your research before investing in anything and don't just copy any YouTuber that you see online. Next is starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is not easy and it does take time to get monetized. However, once you do get monetized, if you do make evergreen videos, you'll be making money even in your sleep. I haven't posted in 3 weeks, but I've still been making daily income from it. With YouTube, you can make money from ads, affiliate links, sponsors, and many more. Just being transparent here, the highest that I made is $500 in one day, and that is with having less than 5,000 followers that time. So what I'm saying here is you can make some decent money even with a few followers. Next one, create a course and sell it online. Next one, create a course and sell it online. If you're an expert of something, this is your moment. This will take a lot of your time at first, but make sure that you're bringing a lot of value to your students. Once you're done, post it online on platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, or maybe your own websites. If these customers will give you some great feedback or review, you'll be getting a lot more customers. If you feel like you're not an expert on anything, then learn to be one. Remember that every teacher was once a student. Then lastly is have a niche blog. This would also require a lot of work at first, but it can be very profitable if done right. And just like YouTube, you can make money through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, and many more. And you'll be able to keep making money even if you haven't posted for a while. That's pretty much it. Those are the 10 passive income ideas that you guys can do. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye!